What's up, guys? Ever felt like your headlights just are not bright enough on dark roads? If night driving feels stressful and unclear, you are going to want to hear this. Welcome back to Tech Kingo. Today we are talking about the best car LED headlight bulbs that can completely transform your visibility and give your car a modern, sharp look. Let's get started. Let's check out the Oxido Car LED Headlight Bulb. Oxido has designed these bulbs to directly replace your old halogen lights without making things complicated. One of the best parts is the Canbus no error feature. That means when you install them, your car will not show annoying warning lights on the dashboard. It works smoothly with modern vehicle electrical systems, so you get a clean upgrade without extra trouble. Now let's talk about brightness, because that is where these bulbs really stand out. Oxido claims up to 600% brighter light compared to standard halogen bulbs. That is a huge jump. Each pair delivers up to 20,000 lumens, giving you strong, clear illumination across the road. With 32 high-efficiency 7035 LED chips built into the design, you get full 360-degree lighting. This helps remove dark spots and shadows so you can see road signs, obstacles, and lane markings much more clearly at night. Another great feature is the smart turbo design. It keeps the bulbs running without noise and without radio interference, so you will not hear buzzing sounds or experience signal problems while driving. Installation is also very simple. These bulbs are plug and play, and there are no polarity issues. You just connect them and they work. No complicated wiring and no guessing which side is positive or negative. Durability is just as impressive. The body is made from aluminum alloy, which helps with heat dissipation. Good cooling is important because it keeps the bulbs performing well over time. Oxido says these bulbs can last more than 50,000 hours, which means you will not be replacing them anytime soon. They operate within a wide range of 12 to 18 volts direct current, and they can handle temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius up to 80 degrees Celsius. That makes them reliable in both freezing winters and hot summers. When it comes to light color, you have options. You can choose a crisp 6500K white light for a clean and modern look, or go with the dual color option that includes 6500K white and 3000K yellow. The yellow light can be especially helpful in foggy or rainy conditions because it improves contrast and reduces glare. Another thing I really like is the compact size. The Oxido Car LED headlight bulb matches the dimensions of your original bulb, so it fits easily into the housing. It is compatible with H4903 HB2 sockets and works for car or motorcycle headlights, and even fog lights. That flexibility makes it a very convenient upgrade. If you want brighter roads, better safety, and a stylish lighting upgrade, this is a serious option to consider. Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your vehicle. And as always, like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more smart tech picks. Drive safe, and I will see you in the next one.